Hey folks, Scott here from Wooden Nickel Workshop. I got a little rant today. You know, a little while back, I posted a video about the Vesper Click Pen from Penn State. I was asking if anyone had any suggestions on how to fix the click mechanism, because it's a plastic piece in here. Well, I ended up replacing the end because I really like the pen. This is my everyday carry pen. I really like the pen. So I replaced the click mechanism, the whole cap and clip and everything. It's all one piece. So I replaced that today. Lo and behold, about 10 minutes ago, the pen fell out of my pocket and it broke again. Penn State, why are you making these with plastic? Please come up with a better material. I'm very disappointed in the quality of this. I guess on the flip side, you could say, well, maybe you shouldn't drop your pen on the floor all the time. But I am leery to sell any of these pens knowing that this is an issue, this is a problem. This is stuck in to the little white piece inside there. I'm gonna have to maybe try to unscrew that, get that out. It screws into the cap. If I could unscrew that, maybe I can try to repair that. But when I tried to repair it last time, I ended up screwing up the hole. It wouldn't click anymore. So that's my rant for today. Click style pens should have a more, I don't know what the word, they should have a better click mechanism than that. That's my rant, folks. Thanks for watching. Hit like, share, subscribe. That'd be fantastic. Subscribe to my channel. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. God bless.